Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 4 and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. And unpairing could be useful in cases like if you want to pair your watch with another device, you maybe want to sell it to somebody or give it away to somebody. Basically anything that will require you to disconnect your watch from a phone and your account. So let's get started. So to unpair our watch, we need to open the OHELF application on the phone that is paired with it, tap on device icon, and here you should see your OnePlus Watch 4. Now scroll through this page, tap on more, and tap on it. Like I said, tap on it, not... Anyway, once you're in the more on the more page, scroll down, tap on the unpair button, and then tap on unpair again. The watch will disappear from the device page. You can now also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone just in case, if the watch is still here on the list. If it was here, tap on the settings or info icon next to it, tap on forget or remove to basically remove it from this list. And as you can see, the watch is resetting to the factory default settings. That's what it does when you unpair it from a phone. And once it's done, you will see the welcome message, I believe, or hello message on the screen. That's when you know that the resetting process is complete, basically. Okay, and basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.